Hello everyone.
Today we are about to present you new ITE hearing aid JH-A17B. Hearing aid. Charging case, ear domes at different sizes, USB cable, cleaning tools. User manual. When remove the hearing aid from the charging case and it is power off, choose a suitable size ear dome, install in device. Push firmly to ensure that the dome is fastened securely. Blue marking for left hearing aid. Red is for right hearing aid. Blue marking for left hearing aid. Red marking for right hearing aid. Hold it with your thumb and forefinger on the outer edges of the device. Tilt your hand slightly forward and gently insert the canal tip of the device into your ear canal. Softly press it into place with your fingertip. You can long press the multifunction button for 3 seconds to turn the device on or off. Turn on. The prompt tone is beep, off is beep beep. Short press the multifunction button to increase or decrease the volume. Plug the micro USB cable tip into the hearing aid charging case and another one into a USB power source such as a power bank. The light glow orange when the charging is ongoing. These lights are the hearing aid charging indicator light, and the middle light is the case charging indicator light. When they charging, the lights will glow orange. After fully charged, they will light in green and turn off indicates charging is complete. The battery check button is a multifunction button. Short press button, check the remaining battery status of the charging case. Long press the button for second, turn on or turn off the charging